Hi guys, and welcome to this journey with us to Brest from Minsk, another city in Belarus. We are traveling to Brest by Belarusian National Railway service. So we are in a train right now. It's a beautiful train, very nice, and this is the cheaper version. There are two classes of travel. This is the cheapest one, and to me this looks very exotically nice for the price of $6, and we will be traveling almost like 200 kilometers in 4 hours, and for $6 it's fairly nice. And you have a tea coffee service, no food service, but then you have a tea coffee service. Obviously you have to pay for it, it's not included, and it's nice and clean. This berths are very comfortable itself, but I think they also give this kind of beddings, like it's a proper mattress. Like it is I think quarter to 9 right now, and we will be reaching in 4 hours from now, so we'll just take a nap. So whenever you watch this video, I hope you will also enjoy this one, and stay tuned with us. Enjoy the view. Bye bye.